Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your password with Wells Fargo step by step clearly. To reset your password with Wells Fargo, start by visiting the official Wells Fargo website. Locate the Sign On button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign On button. On the Sign In page, click on the Forgot Password link underneath the password entry field. You will be redirected to a new page for password recovery. Enter your Wells Fargo username in the designated field. Next, enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Select your date of birth from the drop-down menu. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Wells Fargo will then guide you through the password reset process. You may receive a security code via text message or email, depending on your chosen method. Enter the security code in the provided field. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets Wells Fargo's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. After confirming your new password, click on the Submit button. Your password has now been reset successfully. You can return to the sign-in page. Enter your username and new password to access your account. If you encounter any issues, contact Wells Fargo customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.